I'm gonna try this one. I'll show you what this pudding looks like in a minute. But it's called Macau1881. We got a menu in here. We got a lot of people in here. I think you can actually go upstairs, so we might try to see. Hello, how are you? And then we're gonna go and check it all out.
Hello.
Hello, how are you guys? Hello. So we're gonna get that one, and then we'll come back. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. This restaurant is good? The restaurant is good? You recommend it? Okay. Hot? Is it spicy? So this is actually called Macau1881. So we're gonna go in, and I'm just gonna show you. I'll show you the image of the kids real quick, and what I'm gonna get, and then we're gonna get it as well. And I'm also gonna try to go up in there and see what it's all about. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, the kids are really funny, so they were like, YouTube, YouTube. So we're gonna go in. I'm gonna grab some food. I'll show you exactly what I'm gonna get. Just to give you some references, we're not too far away from this little temple right there. So there's a temple right there called Patani. I think it's like, this is the Patani area. So we're gonna go in to Macau1881 right here. And before I go in, I'm just gonna show you real quick. Maybe I'll show you that later. But there's all this kind of cool stuff everywhere. Like these little alleys like that. These little alleys like that. Bird cages right there. This is the side of the building, so I guess it is good that I filmed the side. And we're gonna try to go up there and eat, and we'll see. There's a lot of kids. They're really friendly. Too friendly. Hopefully I can eat with it in peace. I might even eat right there, which I think is what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna go in. This is their menu. And this looks really popular for watermelon, all kinds of good stuff. So I think we're gonna go in and just kind of see. We're gonna see what it looks like inside. Hello, how are you? Go up and see what it's like. Let's go see. So we're gonna go see what it's like. It looks like they got all kinds of stuff. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Now I see what this is. Oh, okay. So this is a little area like that. And then you can see outside as well. And it looks like you even have, so you got a chair here, you got a chair here. You got all of this. You got that. And I think this is all private residence up there, I think. Yeah, that's all private, so you can't go up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back down. And, hello. So, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. So we're going to come back down. So this is called the Macau1881. We're going to come back down. And I think I'm going to eat. I think in a minute I'm going to eat right there, I think. And then we just check everything out. So that's called Macau1881. Pretty interesting, pretty cool. So stay tuned. Be back with some food. Yep, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to sit right here. Kind of have this nice little lookout. You can look out into this little patio right here. And I think school just got out. There's bird cages right there, which is kind of cool. This has a really nice little image to it. There's another place to sit right here as well. Oh. Phew. I kind of told her that I want to go upstairs, but she was a little bit confused, so I don't know if she thinks that I'm going to be outside or upstairs. I almost got this one, but it said it's all fried. Some of it looks quite delicious though. But that one should be a pretty good choice. Macau 1881. So before the food comes, I'm just gonna come around to the other side. Macau 1881 food and tea. That's what it looks like from there. So we basically, I guess we came up into that spot and we could see that, and then I guess that other spot is for the family that works there and lives there. You kind of got a lot of stuff for like this has like a little bit of a kids reference as well. Sonic, looks like you go right through that. So our building is kind of surrounded like that. I'm gonna go up this way. I have filmed all these streets before, so they're in my we're gonna head back up, and that's our little building right there. Alright, so in a minute you'll see me right there eating. Got it. Right here. It's really good. Wow. The little cubes of meat. It's really tasty. It's Angus beef. Wow. You can see the juices down there too. It's really, really good. Wow. Okay. I'm really enjoying that. So this was 1981. This is such a beautiful place to sit. Just kind of check out, you know, the different styles of houses around here. The sort of rooftops at the top, rooftops right there, one above it in the background as well. We have this little park right here. There's somebody just sitting with their, there's a bird cage right there. There's somebody that was sitting there a little while ago. I can hear some Chinese music, like old style traditional music in the background a little bit while I was sitting here. I can hear the birds chirping as well. I think they're right in these trees right in here. But yeah, it's all just kind of a nice little space. And my meal is finished as well, as you can see. That's tasty. Wow. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.